I don't know about you, but I often feel handcuffed to the algorithm of my resume. Screenwriter Nate DeMeo said, "There's life that exists between the plot points in everyone's life." And in fact, that might be where life really is. That really resonated with me. We usually only see and value the plot points, the major events, milestones, achievements of our lives. And a resume is essentially a list of plot points. These plot points then become the algorithm through which we are seen and evaluated. It shows just how painfully ineffective it is to tell our professional story via a resume. Because the resume algorithm doesn't offer us an opportunity to tell the story of the life that exists between the plot points. How we went from one job to the next, what made us go in that direction, and where we actually want to go but could never figure out how. I believe we can do better. Imagine a hiring process that starts with a conversation about your life's passions, motivations, and decisions, rather than a review of your resume. In this case, we can then truly be known for the life that's in our ears. What would that conversation reveal? And how would that change our approach to hiring? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that make us better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please subscribe in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you, and have a great day.